Okay, I don't know if there are any other procrastinators out there, but I have not purchased one. Actually, that's a lie. I've gotten one gift for each of my kids, and it's like a brush and pipe cleaner. So I don't even know if that counts as a gift, but I'm running kind of behind. And so I want to do a quick tutorial on some stocking stuffers. Today we're going to make a DIY glow serum. What you will need is a little jar, like a 30 milliliter glass jar. You can get it on Amazon. That's where I got mine. You will need jojoba oil, and you can just get this from like Trader Joe's or Sprouts or online. Again, Amazon, hello. And then 3 essential oils of choice for the face. I highly recommend having lavender, frankincense as a base, and then add one more that maybe you just love for your face. For me, myrrh is the one I'm going to. But wait, there's myrrh. Okay. So here's how we start. We're gonna take the top off of our little dropper bottle like this, and then I'm going to add 5 drops of frankincense to this bottle.
If you have a larger bottle, you can just adjust for the size of bottle you have.
5 drops of lavender. 5 drops of myrrh. You're gonna take your jojoba oil. Really, really great for the skin. You can see that it's kind of, it's like more viscous than other oils, which makes it amazing for the face. You'll wanna use this glow serum, well, you'll wanna tell whoever receives this glow serum to use it at night. And then from there, we're just going to fill up our little bottle. I'm just going to write out glow serum. And you will want to make sure that you have thoroughly cleaned off the bottle if you happen to spill any of the jojoba oil also on the bottle. Then I'm going to add my little glow serum sticker.